Hello and welcome back to a new ADV Freedom adventure. Um, so today video I'm gonna try to change the shifter lever from my Honda Transalp 750 2024 with a new shifter lever. So I got this from AliExpress. I think it was $45 Canadian shipped to my home. So when I got the bike after a year, I wanted to change the shifter lever, and the reason is more adjustability on the foot, like the distance between the peg and the shifter. And looking at that time, I looked on AliExpress, and there were a couple of models, but this top part here, it was welded, and there were a lot of reports of that welding failing. So I looked online, and it seems like SW-Motech came with a nice model which has this arm here, not welded, but it's bolted in the lever. So, but it was expensive at that time. I think it's still 140 euros right now. So I looked recently. I looked on AliExpress, and it seems like companies in China, this is exactly the copy of the SW-Motech. So this arm here is bolted in. It comes like this, so I don't lose any stuff. So it comes like this with already this bolt put in, so I don't have to worry about that. Although SW-Motech is saying that this should be 9 nanometers, I think, if it comes undone. So there is no instruction coming with this. There is only like a plastic, like all the Chinese stuff, most of it. So I looked online for the SW-Motech instructions. It's the same. So it comes like this. There is a bolt that goes through here. There is a spacer, a plastic spacer that goes through, and like is the linkage, and there is a bolt. So, and there is a nut that goes through the bolt, and they're saying this should be also 9 nanometers when you tighten it up. So I'll try to do that. Although it comes with a self-locking plastic, it's like a self-locking nut. So this is how it looks. All right, so let me show you. This is the SW-Motech website. So this is how it looks. It's exactly the same. So it shows that this adjusts. So even this outside design, it's exactly the same. There's a 360. I cannot see it on the phone, so if you look, it's exactly the same thing. Yeah, so it also comes with an extender here, which you can put on the top. I choose the one that doesn't come with the rubber, because the rubber is already on the other one. I might be using that one. So and they're charging 140 euros for it. This looks solid. It's a very solid piece of metal. Let's install this. Hopefully it's gonna last. So this has like adjustability. It can put this up and down, and it's collapsible. All right, so basically what you have to do, you have to undo this one, the bolt from the main bolt from the shifter. And this is I think it's a 5. Is it a 5? No, it's a 6 Allen key. Yeah, this is a 6 Allen key. And you have to undo the top one here to, well, basically the way Honda did it. There's also like a rubber protection here, which can be taken off, but SW-Motech doesn't put one, so it's the same with AliExpress. So what you need to undo this top. So the top black nut is an 8, is a 10, and the bottom, what you have to hold, is a 12. So just like that, just a little bit. So keep the position that is on, and doing this. Okay, so that's basically it. All right, so this is the bolt. They're saying to you will have to grease this part here and here. So my idea is I undid that, and I'm just gonna, to keep the position of the lever, I'm just gonna undo this here, so I don't undo from the top. Is this one, mine is already set up for my boot. I don't know how the new one is gonna come, but just undoing this all the way. Yeah, so there you go. This is Honda's. So it looks like this is steel. This seems to be aluminum. It actually has a XL750. So as the size, the same, except this is longer, and you can adjust up and down. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna undo this part here, and I'm just gonna rotate that on top there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put just this part here. Alright, so almost to the top. So it seems like the Honda threads are longer. Are they though? No, they're not. Okay, so this is the maximum I could go here. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put this one through here. All right, so it looks like the Honda one has more threads to it, so this head here is longer. So this is where the Honda maximum goes to, and this goes only up to here. So I'm probably gonna have to undo this and move this up. Okay, and so this bolt is to tighten is 27 Newton meters. Basically is 20 foot-pounds of torque. All right, and let's put the spacer on the bolt behind. Let's put the shifter here. So basically, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. because this is so much lower here. Well, it's longer, but it's so much lower. Let's see how much more we can put on the top. See if it's enough. If not, I'm gonna change it back. This is the maximum it will go. Let me put the bolt, the nut behind. So this is the tallest I can make it go. I don't know, it seems a bit low. I'm gonna tighten this up just a bit. Okay. All right, so this is tight. Let's see again. So sitting down, no, it's not bad. So it's right at the peg level, but standing up, although it's farther away, so you can slide your foot down, I guess. So right, so I put my foot on. Let's see how it goes. So I have to move it forward. Oh, but with the boot, oh, I cannot slide my foot under. No way. There's no way I can slide my foot under. Yep. So that is a fail, unfortunately. So I'm gonna go back to my Honda one, and there's nothing I can do about that one. So install is done. You saw the boot position. Although it looks good and it's collapsible, I'll have to find another for my off-road needs with the Alpine Star boots, and I think any enduro boot. You will not be able to slide your foot under. Maybe with the different pegs, maybe, I don't know. It looks good. It looks pretty good. So it looks sharp, nice, but this part here should screw more into the shaft in order for you to lift this up. This is what it is. Maybe there is another way, but in this position I cannot put my boot under, unfortunately. So yeah, it is what it is. Maybe for street if you ride on the street with regular shoes or whatever, it's a good option. I can slide my foot under with my running shoes, but other than that, I am not sure. So yeah, so this is it. It is a failed video, like a failed installation. Gave me an idea, I guess. This is the way to go right now. I'm gonna look for another one. I'm not sure if the SW-Motech one is, or can you screw the shaft more in, but not sure. So Honda it is for now. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry that it was like I cannot use it. I show you the installation, but it's for me it's not usable. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.